You can tell what you want, but I'm a serial winner.
Why? How did Chelsea go from a complete bankrupt club in the 90s to this winning machine team here in 2025? मतलब the whole decade, it's Chelsea's. मतलब you name a trophy and they have it. Yeah, there is no club in the world who has completed this thing. So just imagine Chelsea is like that chaotic child who doesn't study or who doesn't, you kind of sideline him कि यार ये तो फेल होगा पक्का यार इसका तो कटेगा, but then he's the one जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिलते हैं. He's the one who gets everything. So Chelsea is that kind of a kid. मतलब just imagine यार, they were bankrupt, completely gone. Like उनकी history भी ज़्यादा नहीं है if you go to see other clubs. But then if you see now in modern world football, they are still a chaotic club. They are always in news. Ownership change या कुछ ना कुछ होता है रहता है चीज़ के साथ. But they have that elite mindset of winning things when it matters the most.
You can tell what you want, but I'm a serial winner.
That is what makes Chelsea the kind of team that is right now. It's the mindset, It's the people involved in the club, and yeah, they are crazy when it comes to big tournament, big games. They can defeat anyone, anyone. Let's break it down. Let's break it down.
ओके भाई, सबसे पहले तो बात करते कि हाउ मेनी ट्रॉफीज डज चेल्सी हैव नाउ. दे हैव 21 ट्रॉफीज गाइस नाउ. 5 प्रीमियर लीग, 6 एफए कप, 3 लीग कप, 2 चैंपियंस लीग, 2 यूरोपा लीग, 1 कॉन्फ्रेंस लीग, 1 क्लब वर्ल्ड कप, सॉरी 2 क्लब वर्ल्ड कप बाय द वे, 2 क्लब, द वन दैट दे वॉन रिसेंटली अगेंस्ट पीएसजी. एंड उनके पास बाकी के शील्ड्स भी है, कम्युनिटी शील्ड हो गया, जैसे सुपर कप हो गया, बट ये उतने मेजर ट्रॉफीज नहीं है. फिर भी दे हैव अ लॉट इन देयर प्लेट. मतलब उनका कैबिनेट भरा है ट्रॉफी से यार.
So this is not just a dominance यार, ये तो पूरा वर्ल्ड फुटबॉल का कॉन्क्वेस्ट है. मतलब they have won everything. What else do you even need?
It was perfect. Perfect.
So let's talk about the Abramovich era. मतलब it was all about risk, and he invested a lot. But yeah, again, risk and glory was the two things that Chelsea were focusing तभी. So 2003 में सब change हो गया when he took the ownership of the club. Claudio Ranieri laid the foundations, and then Jose Mourinho led it. He won twice back to back. So that was insane. All the early 2000 era Premier League fans knows the importance of Jose Mourinho and Chelsea. Like what he did with that team, that was unbelievable. What Jose did to that Chelsea team. So that was crazy.
I'm European champion, so I'm not one of the bottle. I think I'm a special one.
And उसके बाद से they kind of rotated managers. Like Chelsea were like just rotating managers, but the trophies never stopped. They were winning while they were doing this. That's one thing. That's one thing you can't take away from Chelsea. So while the other teams were sticking with long-term managers, Chelsea hired, sacked, and yet they won. मतलब वो जीतते रहे. बाकी के teams were going with long-term managers, project, all these big projects, long-term projects. Chelsea were doing this and they were winning. So it all made sense for them. So मैं कहूँगा कि no club has mastered this chaos kind of a management better than Chelsea. Chelsea, they are like the kings when it comes to mismanagement and still winning stuff. So yeah, but think about it. Di Matteo came and won the Champions League in 2012. Sarri delivered a Europa League in 2019. Tuchel came mid-season and won them the Champions League again. यार मतलब Chelsea का अलग ही चल रहा है. So I feel managers kept on changing, but they delivered. That's all matters the most in world football, and Chelsea has always delivered a trophy. यार मतलब बिल्कुल सिंपल सी चीज़ है. They are not here to entertain. They are here to win. That is what Chelsea is all about. यार what separates Chelsea from other clubs? It's not the flair. मतलब they are here to win. That is all. It's like the big match mentality that Chelsea have. और वो वही चीज़ें करते रहे हैं काफ़ी टाइम से. So that what makes Chelsea what they are now. यार मतलब imagine 2012 में they defeated Bayern Munich in their own backyard. Then again recently in 2021, Man City outperformed. Guardiola was drinking water तभी पानी पी रहा था वो. So this is what Chelsea is all about. I would say Chelsea is the most disrespected club in the world football. And उनके पास heritage नहीं है like United and Liverpool. ना ही they are romanticized like Arsenal. Or they don't have that dynasty like Real Madrid or Barca as well. They're just here to win. That is all matters to Chelsea. I mean, they don't follow the rules. They don't follow the rules. They just win. That is exactly what Chelsea are doing. So it's basically they're building their modern legacy fast. It's very ruthless. They are not taking it slow. They have their trophy stacked now. So they know what they are doing. Who would have thought that Chelsea jeetega Club World Cup against PSG? I mean, this PSG team was like a super team, guys. Come on. And nobody saw it coming. But they knew. They knew with the players. They knew with all the young players. Guys, Cole Palmer is crazy. I mean, they have multiple players like him in their system who are young. They are no-nonsense players. They are just there to win. That is all, what Chelsea are about. Like, just imagine Reece James, okay, Levy Colwill, all these young bloods, Mason Mount before he left, and now the young stars like Caicedo, Nkunku, and Enzo Fernandez, and even now in their rebuild, now with the new owners, they are building a young dynamic squad, guys. 2022 se 2024 tak it has been rough, all the resets, and not a collapse, but they are rebuilding it with young players, young blood. But same old Chelsea. Yeah, let's sum up this way. They are the club that thrives when all the big teams collapses. To conclude, they still follow that same kind of strategy. They rotate managers, but they are here to win. That's all that makes Chelsea like the modern super team. The modern super team. You like it or not, even I'm not a Chelsea fan, but somehow they get it over the line. Somehow they deliver. Somehow their fans are happy that they are winning. And now, I'm going to say they are like they have completed football. यार मतलब जो भी जीतने का है, they have won it. So I would say Chelsea is the best team in modern football. One of the best team in modern football. You like it or not, even I don't like Chelsea, but it is a fact. It is a fact, and they are delivering it. Okay, it is not easy to win against PSG. No matter what the odds are. I mean, वो जीते हैं. Like, I mean, against crazy PSG side. So I feel कि we should put thoda respect to Chelsea now. मतलब, they have been doing it since the Abramovich era that turned Chelsea's faith. The club was, वो गए थे पूरे के पूरे बाहर थे. They were bankrupt. Okay, by the way, there's one more story. Abramovich was gonna buy Spurs, but on the way to Spurs, उसको Chelsea दिख गया and he changed his mind and he got Chelsea. Who would have thought? See you guys in the next video.